What is residence permit? Residence permit is the legal document that foreigners should obtain from the head of immigration. For the foreigner who will stay in Turkey longer than the allocated visa period by the countries and determines the period of stay of theirs in Turkey. Legal regulations regarding residence permit are included in the law on foreigners and international protection except for foreigners who are exempt from residence permit. Foreigners are required to obtain a residence permit for the requirements to stay in Turkey for periods that do not include visa periods. Residence permit appears as a result of international law. This permit is important for the interest of the country in order to protect public health and in order to prevent negative situations and may arise and to detect and control foreigners residing in the country. Residence permit procedures are done through the online system. It's possible to apply for a residence permit via e-residence on the online website of Immigration Administration. In order to make the application, the button "I'm applying for a residence permit for the first time" on the e-residence page should be used. The application form directed through this button must be filled in with complete and correct information. What is work permit? Work permit is a permit that gives right to work and reside in Turkey, which is issued as an official document by the Ministry of Family, Labor and Social Services. In Turkey, it's obligatory to obtain a work permit with exceptions. Administrative fines are imposed for foreigners and their employers who work without a work permit or exemption certificate. For this reason, it's obligatory for foreigners in Turkey to obtain a work permit or exemption document. The work permit application procedure is regulated in Article 7 of the International Labour Law, and the application for exemption is regulated in Article 13 of the same law. During the application to be made, if the necessary documents are prepared and the conditions are met, a work permit document is issued by the competent authorities.